Hey, what's up guys? Mike here, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about this SOG survival axe. Got it a couple of months ago. It's pretty cool. It has a really nice sheath. Has a little button. You pop it off and then it comes out from just falls out of itself basically. So this is a hardened, semi-hardened, not truly hardened, but you could put it through your belt. So this is what it looks like. And today I'm gonna sharpen the end a little bit, but you could get a nail hole out. There's a really cool video on their site. Also, just to try to look at some details, if this thing will focus, there's a skull, their logo in the metal. Also, this isn't technically a saw. I'm not gonna go through the whole product, but it's kind of barbed, so you could do something with it. But this is really cool, blackened steel and then silver on the edge here. This does have paracord in it for a survival situation. I don't know how many feet, but a lot of feet. Also, very cool on the bottom here, there's a little lever that comes out, so it snaps down and you twist it, just counterclockwise. And then here is a fire starter, or a flint, if you will. And I'm not an expert at this, but people are gonna laugh at me, but you'll get sparks somehow. I should probably look into how to do that. Anyways, once I know how to do that, that would be really helpful. But to put it back, you just put it in there. So it is threaded a little bit, a few spins, so you can save it for next time. So you'll spin that nice and tight, snap it. And today I'm just going to put on some heavy gloves, technically glasses, why not? I already have them. And I'm not gonna use my vise. I'm gonna put that aside for a minute, just because I think it'll be easier with just holding the axe. I'm only gonna do this a few times. I have the Smith's axe and machete sharpener. I just did this on my machete, so check out the other video if you'd like. Anyways, I'm just gonna go down. There's a couple little sharpening teeth. I'm gonna hold this, apply some pressure. Oh yeah, also on the top, it's pretty cool, SOG logo, I just noticed. All that really nice details. And the screws are Starbit Torx that holds everything together. So I just sharpened this on the machete. It says to do 20 passes. So I'll do 10 down and 10 up, I guess, on this. We'll try that. So I'll flip that. So there are some metal flakes on this. Super sharp. And I'll show you one more thing. So on this, it has a little steel brush. So you could actually use this to get crap out of your sharpener. If you had stuff on your blade, just take this steel wire to it real quick before you sharpen it. But since this was new, I didn't need that. So I'll pop that back in there. Just got some sawdust. Anyways, so I'm gonna take a rag to it. Oh, dry rag right now. And there's also an angle on the bottom of it here. I'm probably not gonna mess with that as much. I'm more concerned about the front of the blade. This is not really it looks cool, but it's not really sharp now that I'm playing with it with my finger. This, I don't know if you can hear that, probably not with the vehicles outside, but if you can hear my finger, very sharp, both sides. I did actually create some marks on the metal with the sharpener. You may be able to see those vertically, no, horizontally, maybe not on the camera. Yeah, right there. I'm not concerned about that. Obviously, it's a survival axe. This thing probably, you know, let me grab a scrap of wood. You know, this is super sharp. So it's just fraying wood up right here. Got chunks of wood. So, you know, this just did this. I'll do it on a flat edge right here. So I just did that. The other edge was the first one, and so in no time at all I was able to get a good chunk out. And again, I'm just holding this with my hand. If it was a tree, I could wail at it, you know, or my studs, but I don't want to do that. And I don't want to cause your ears to bleed by hitting the thing on the table. But yeah, there's probably ways, I don't know, we can check the specs on the site. Couple pounds. Nah, I don't know, 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds, I'll say. But feels really good. Even doing that did not, you know, I'm sure I could sharpen it again, but it's still super sharp. You know, still has awesome edge on it. So I'm not gonna over sharpen it or dull it, you know. But anyways, that is the saw. To put it back in, just like this, I'm gonna slip it, handle from the top of this, from the pouch down, and just like that. Pull this up nice and tight, and snap it in. So, like I said, you could hang this up on something. You could put on your belt loop, be Daniel Boone or whoever, and you could go cut some stuff. I just cut an apple in my other video, so check that out if you want, on the machete video, the old Gerber. So now these are both super sharp, ready to go for whatever purpose I need it for. All right, guys, if you like these videos, let me know in the comments. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I got other cool videos coming out soon. I do have a pepper spray video coming out soon as well, just for shits, really. Also have a lot of DIY and other types of stuff. So I will catch you next time. See you guys.